Molweni, a revision exercise on counting. State that there is only one of the following. Umntwana, a child. Mnye. Ikaya, a home, the plural being amakaya. So the ama word will have its singular form under the little link before nye, meaning one is li. Li, nye. ITV, inye. Umbuzo, a question. Mnye. So, mnye, linye, inye, mnye. State that there are 5 of the following. Mini, double I, days. Zinhlanu. Amadoda, the ama plays a part. Mahlanu. Imiti, the imi playing a part. Mihlanu. Abafundi, the aba being important. Bahlanu. And then state that there are 10 of the following. Botile, the double I. Li shumi. Amaphepha, not ma but a li shumi. Abafundisi, ba li shumi. Izitulo, the izi, zi li shumi. State that there are 2 of the following. Ibhokisi, zimbini. This is one that you just have to know. Memorize the fact that it's not zinbini but zimbini. Abafana, babini. Intombi, again a double I word. Zimbini. Iminyango, exits. The imi. Mibini. Stating that there are 8 of the following. Computer. Si bozo. Imibuzo, not me but si bozo. Amakwenkwe, not ma but si bozo. Abafundi, yes, this time ba si bozo. State that you need one, the object of the verb need. You need one person, one child to do something for you. Ndifuna umntwana. I'm not going to type in the noun, just the number. Omnye. Ndifuna elinye. Now some isiXhosa speakers would argue that ndifuna elinye could also mean I want another, and they would in fact be correct, but that is something for another discussion. ITV, I think the best option here would be to say ndifuna ibenye. Umbuzo omnye. State that you can see 5 of the following. Moto, not days but cars. Ndibona ezinhlanu. Amadoda ndibona amahlanu. Imithi ndibona emihlanu. Abafundi ndibona abahlanu. State that you bought 10 of the following. Tenga is to buy. Now ndithenge, the refers to the fact that this happened in the past. So ndithenge ezilishumi. Ama-apile ndithenge alishumi. Iminqathe, new word for us. Carrots ndithenge elishumi. Izitulo, chairs ndithenge ezilishumi. State that you need or want 2 of the following. Ndifuna ezimbini. 2 young men. Ababini, because it is abafana. Iintombi ezimbini. Iminyango emibini. And then finally, state that 8 of the following are required. Funwa is to be required. Kufunwa, there is required the following number of things. Kufunwa, 8. Ezisibhozo. Kufunwa esibhozo. Kufunwa asibhozo. Kufunwa abafundi abasibhozo. Good. I hope you coped all right with that exercise. Enkosi kakhulu.